And I'll start with what I'm using. So where is my sharpener? I'm using, Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Victoria.
And I'm Kylie, and we're just a couple of moms changing our lives one habit at a time. As you just saw in our last video, we just got our eyebrows all tinted and laminated so that we can set ourselves up for a quick daily makeup routine.
As a mom, we don't have much time, but like I don't want to lose like being cute and sexy for my husband, so I have kind of gotten down a good fast makeup routine so I don't look like a complete scrub. Kylie is a little slower, and so this will be interesting to see her do this 5-minute challenge.
But one of the things that makes me slow is having to do my eyebrows, and now that I have it done, it makes it a lot quicker. And also having lashes is something that every mom should have.
Yes, treat yourself.
False lashes or a lash
Or you
tint.
could do like a tint and a lash lift.
Yes.
Just something to help make that part easy because I feel like that takes the most amount of time.
Should we get into this?
On marks, get set, go! Go. And I'll start with what I'm using. So my favorite foundation is Estee Lauder Double Wear. I like it because it stays on all day and it's like a magic eraser. So I just put some on my this.
When I'm doing quick makeup, I skip the foundation and I just blend in a little bit of concealer. And I have the Revlon Candid, and I like to put tanning on my face, so this is a little bit darker than my actual skin.
I got kind of a lot of foundation. Wasn't paying attention. It's all up on my lips. Okay, well.
Get these little blemishes. Okay.
So now that our eyebrows are tinted and laminated, that will help this go by a lot quicker.
Oh my gosh. That's my old brush.
Oh my gosh.
I have an attachment to my old brushes because I just like how they do my makeup better. But
do you use that one that all the hair just fell out of?
Yes. I do.
And this makeup set's pretty quick, so I like to use a brush and kind of just dabble, dabble, dabble. And then I just take it over my eyebrows. I do that. Oh, so we're at 1.5 minutes. Wow, I'm like going slower than normal. That's because I got too much foundation on. And I'll just kind of go over my icky spots. Get hair stuck to my forehead. Okay. And then if I'm feeling like I want to have a bright under eye, I will use Estee Lauder Double Wear Concealer. And I just get like a little bit under there. I like kind of make a T with dots. And then I just dabby, dabby, dabby.
Okay, and then I have a brighter concealer that I also use to do a little bit of just some lighter spots. We're at 2.5 minutes.
And we have eyelash extensions, so that helps a lot with time, because I feel like back when I did mascara, that was like a big part of the time because you wanted to make sure everything was separated and beautiful. Okay, I got this in a FabFitFun box and I love it. It's called Brilliant Eye Brightener by Thrive Cosmetics. And it's just like a little shimmery stick. And I'll just put it like in the corner of my eye, along my, like underneath my waterline, or whatever, lash line, underneath my lash line a little bit. Just brightens it up. And that's it, I do that. And
I'll just add a very quick contour. This is Fall in Love Face Illuminator Collection from Laura Mercier.
ooh.
And this is a much like shinier palette, so if you like looking shimmery and bronzy, Where the freak is my brush that I like? I'm gonna run out of time. We have 1 minute. Where's my brush?
And I just used a lip and cheek color stick, and I put it like where the sun would sunburn me a little bit, so it gives me a little bit of a glow. So I do like right here, my lip, my chin, my cheeks, and my nose. Then I'm going to brush my eyebrows. This is seriously just like a dried out eyebrow thing. I just brush them in place. Now that my brows are all glossy and tinted.
A little to my nose. Okay, we have 45 seconds. A little bit of highlight. Easy.
I got this in my Ipsy bag and it is amazing. It's called Jello Gloss Balm. Just the name sells me.
Wait, pause. I have to sharpen this really quick, otherwise I'm gonna cut my lips off. Where is my sharpener?
I'm losing.
Uh-oh. Okay, I love lip liner. It's my go-to.
And this is the only lipstick like I've ever worn pretty much multiple times because I love it. It's called Meringue and what is it? Bite Beauty. I also got this in a FabFitFun box. I love FabFitFun because it gives me stuff that I wouldn't try. Oh! Crap, I do bottom eyeliner, or bottom mascara, and we have 5 seconds.
Uh-oh. I just am liking this tinted Burt's Bees lip
You're
gloss.
done.
Mm-hmm.
Girl, you're done.
Uh-huh.
She lost. I won.
Uh-huh. Okay, I just need to put on some bottom mascara.
So basically, I told you she's just a little bit slower. But I got my full face. This is what I do most days.
See, and if you don't have your makeup organized, then it will not be 5 minutes. It will be 5 minutes looking for the thing that you want.
Or if you only have the makeup that you wear.
Okay, I'm done.
Just a minute late, that's it. Plus an intermission. Thank you guys so much for watching our 5-minute mom makeup tutorial. Let us know if you liked it and if you can do your makeup in 5 minutes or not.
And make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss any of our videos. Bye!